Absolutely rock solid as any super clamp I've ever used. Very robust, right down to the brass nut. It's cool that it has the wedge to convert that to a flat. And they included a pin that doesn't twist. So once that's locked in, it's not going to twist on you, and this has a really deep knurl on it, so you can get a good clamp down on whatever you're mounting to it. It's kind of a nice little inclusive setup. You know, that's nice to have that pin. But yeah, quality's there.